Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, that is lesson number 4 Animals, Common, Insects. Children, do you know what are insects? Are a small animal with 6 legs, 2 pair of wings, and a body which is divided into 3 parts are called insects. Example: ants, flies, beetle, butterfly, and mosquito. These all are the example of insects. Children, you all have seen butterfly, grasshopper, ant, honeybee, mosquito, cockroach, housefly around your house or in your house, isn't it, children? Yes. Some of these insects, like a cockroach, mosquito, housefly, are found in and around our house. These are the insects which you can see in and around your house, isn't it, children? Yes. And these are the some insects which are found only in the green areas like lawn, parks, and garden, just like butterfly, grasshopper, and praying mantis. These are the insects which you can found only in the green areas, isn't it, children? Yes. Insects are found almost everywhere. You can found insects everywhere. In your house also you can found, outside your home you can see the insects. Some of them live in the soil. Some insects live in soil like ants and earthworm. These are the insects which live in the soil. Some live on plants. Some insects that live on plants like grasshopper live on plant. Some insects that live in water like the water beetle and bugs. These are the insects which live in water. There are 3 types of insects. First type of insect that live in the soil, second is live on plant, and third is live in water. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now we'll come to our first point. First point is body part of insects. The body of an insect has 3 main parts. The parts of the body of an insect divided into 3 main parts. The first is the head. You can see here, this is the head of the cockroach, and this is the middle part which we call thorax, and this is the last part which we call abdomen. There are 2 eyes and 2 feelers called the antenna. You can see this antenna, this we call feelers, and on this feeler they are having 2 eyes. And insects can sense the thing around with its antenna, and insects can sense the things around with these antenna. You can see the antenna on the head of the cockroach. With the help of these, the insects can sense the thing around it. It does not have any nose. Insects do not have nose. It breathes through the tiny holes at the underside of its abdomen. The underside of this abdomen, the insects are having a hole for breathing, from which they can breathe. Insects do not have nose, that's why they breathe through these holes, which is an underside of its abdomen. Insects have 6 legs and 2 or 4 wings. You have seen this bees. Bees having 2 pairs of wings each side and 2 or 4 wings and 6 legs. Insects mostly having 6 legs. 3 pair of the legs one side and 3 pair of the legs is one side. So like this, insects have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings both the side. You can see here also butterfly also having a 2 pair of wings both the sides. Housefly also having a 2 pairs of wings both the side. And this is a dragonfly. You can see the 2 wings each side. This side also 2 wings and this side also having a 2 wings. Isn't it, children? Yes. You have seen insects without wings such as ant and termite. You also have seen the insects without wings also, like ant. You have seen the ant. See, this is the ant. Ant does not have wings, isn't it? And the termite also don't have wings. These insects develop wings in a season when they all have to fly together to another place. Insects such like this ants and this termite, if they want to fly, if they want to change their place, they develop the wings according to the season when they all have to fly together to the another place. They shed their wings after their flight. Once they finish their flight, they shed off their wings. Yes? Yes. Insects do not have bones. Insects do not have bones. As we humans have a skeleton, our skeleton is made up of bones, but the insects do not have bones like us. Like other animals, instead they have a hard outer covering that helps them to move around. Like other animals, insects have a hard outer covering that help them to move around. Insects do not have bones. They are only having an outer covering shell from which they can move around. All the insects have legs. All the insects having legs. But all of them do not use them for crawling. All the insects have legs, but all of them do not use them for crawling. Insects like a cockroach, ant, and a beetle crawl with their legs, whereas a butterfly, wasp, and housefly do not crawl. Cockroach, ant, and beetle crawl with their legs, whereas butterfly and housefly do not crawl. These are the insects which butterfly and housefly do not crawl, but the cockroach, ant, and the beetle crawl with their legs. Some insects are helpful to people and some insects are harmful to people. Now we'll come to our third point, that is mouth of an insect. The mouth of an insect is shaped according to the food it eats. The mouth of each and every insect is shaped according to the food it eats. Isn't it, children? Yes. An ant has sharp and hard jaws to bite and carry its food in its mouth. You have seen the ant. Have you seen the ant at your home? Yes. The ant having sharp and hard jaws to bite and carry food in its mouth. You have seen sometimes the ant is carrying their food in its mouth. Yes? Yes. A cockroach has a hard jaw to bite on hard food. You have seen the cockroach, mostly you have seen the cockroach in our kitchen. Yes? Yes. The cockroach has a hard jaws to bite on hard food. A butterfly has its mouth in the shape of a coiled tube. You have seen the butterfly. You have seen the butterfly sucking juice from the flower. So that's why the mouth of the butterfly is shaped a shape of a coiled tube, from with the help of this coiled tube butterfly can suck the juice from the flower. It uncoils the tube when it has to suck juice from a flower. But means butterfly suck juice from the flower with the help of this coiled tube. A mosquito has a needle-like mouth to pierce through the skin of humans and animals and suck their blood for its food. You have seen the mosquito, na? Mosquito has a needle-like mouth to pierce through the skin of humans. You have seen that when the mosquito bites, its bite us with the help of this needle, and with the help of this needle mosquito suck our blood for its food. That's all for today. We will continue this chapter in our next period. Till then, goodbye, take care.